So let's do a tapping here so we can show the new viewers what it's all about. So I'm going to show you real quick the main tapping points that you tap on. So usually the karate chop is here, and you usually have a setup phrase that you repeat 3 times. And then you go to the eyebrow, the side of the eye, under the nose, the chin point, the collarbone point, which is 1 or 2 inches below the collarbone here. And then under the arm, which is about the bra strap for women, and then the top of the head. I also include Spirit Gate 7, which is here at the wrist, kind of where it bends. And the reason I do that is because this one is for sadness, sorrow, and grief, and I have lost too many of my family members from this earth, and they're in the spirit world, and I'm glad now that I know that death is not final and that they are there alive. So this has helped me process all of that sadness, sorrow, and grief. So I like to share it with everyone. So I don't have a script written, so this is going to come straight from my heart. And I would like for you to join me so that you can access the healing power of tapping and meditation. It is one and the same. Remember, prayer is also a form of meditation. So just tap while you pray, if nothing else. Just add multiple levels of techniques into your life, and that's how you will make the changes to be the person that you want to be. So here we go. Let's take a deep breath. And let's say, I am amazing. And see where that registers with you. Because remember, you can't lie to yourself. If you truly don't feel amazing, your brain and your body, if they're not in sync, your brain's going to say, oh, hell no, that's bull. You're not amazing. You're average. You're shit. You're whatever you're thinking, whatever that critical voice is telling you. So rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. I am amazing. And remember that number, because we're going to rate it at the end, because that's how you should use this method of EFT tapping, because you want to shift your energy. You want to see if you're able to release this emotion, clear this negative energy, so you can let the positive into your life. It's that simple. Not easy, but very simple. All right, so here we go. Even though I am not feeling amazing at this moment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I am not feeling amazing at this moment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I am not feeling amazing at this moment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I know I can be amazing. But why aren't I? What is holding me back from being amazing? Is it old programming? Is it self-pity? Is it lack of knowledge? Is it my critical voice? Is it emotions? Is it events that are holding me back from feeling amazing? What is holding me back from feeling amazing? What if I could just access the power of the mind? Even just a little bit. What if I could send out a message to the universe that was so in sync with how I feel and how I think that I could actually attract something amazing into my life? I am amazing. That already feels so real. I'm getting better at this. I am amazing. I am amazing. Wow, this isn't as hard as I thought it would be. I am amazing. I am amazing. You know what? I'm freaking amazing. I am amazing. The more I say it, the more I believe it, the more I feel it, the more I am amazing. I am amazing. I am amazing because I am alive. I am amazing because I am a beautiful being. I am amazing because I am me. I am amazing because I have love. I am amazing because I believe. I am amazing because I believe in myself. I am amazing because I believe in a higher power. I am amazing because I believe that I can change. I am amazing because I choose to change. I am amazing because I choose to share this message. I am amazing because I can breathe. I am amazing because I know better now. I am amazing because I do better. I am amazing because I am better. I am amazing because I am me. I am amazing just because I am amazing. I am freaking amazing. I choose to release anything that has been holding me back, any thoughts, any memories, any events, any critical voice statements, any false beliefs, any old programming. I release it from my mind, body, soul, and spirit right now. I release it from my mind, body, soul, and spirit right now because I am freaking amazing. Take a deep breath. All right, now I want you to reassess it and say, I am amazing.